Oh, the one with my friend?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You don't want it right here, and then...
Maliit to.
What about the size?
See, put it there. Tapos yung middle. On.
I know. I don't know if you... Do you want it this big?
No,
Yeah.
I think it's better smaller.
No, it's for baby.
Okay, let it. I say do it.
Dad!
Go.
She knows.
Is this how you want it, though?
Yes.
There's a guy.
Yeah, fine.
We'll ask him. Because, like, there's still space right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi siya maano, di ba?
Try to a little bit, yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. That's good, Roy.
Wait, try to do it standing up.
Oh, yeah. Do you want it, like...
Wait, could do... Yeah, that's different.
Because it doesn't matter that, because you're also...
So, yeah. Okay.
You can have
Can
another
you
one
try
here.
it? Can you try it? Let's see.
Here? Well, this is the only one I could put then.
I know. So this one is okay.
This
I
one?
think it's better here. It's
Yeah.
fine if it's inside. At
So-
least it's, like, hidden.
So you want it here, right?
Yeah.
This is okay?
Yeah.
Like, look at this single.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Right there.
I messed up.
Too thick. Not too much. If you're a starter, you...
And just like...
I can feel your heartbeat, Roy.
Huh?
It's good, though.
It's okay.
Yun eh, sa labas ba yan? Just do it. Yeah, it's fine.
Which one?
Dapat.
Oh, this is better. Just wrap it around.
Nice.
That's what I want to do later on.
Oh.
Mom, are you sure it's not in your purse? Oh, just text her kasi she's in the middle of the thing. Bye-bye. Did you find it? Yeah. Found it.
Freaking sanitary, man.
I know. That's good. Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's good. Safety. Safety first.
wait, don't bend.
Here.
Right here.
Just balance, yeah? That's good.
Right here.
Yeah. That's good. What is that, Roy?
This is the stencil.
A stencil, ano? Lalagay na nyo yung word. Oh, nice. Very good.
Mom, no, I'm just having a party.
Alright, yan ang gagawin ng anak ko. This is the second tattoo niya. Kasi yung isang yung ito, yan o. Ting! Yan ang ginawa niya, yan o. Ting! First tattoo niya, dapat ako eh. So, pero may nagpa-tattoo ng nauna sa akin. So, yan o. Ting! Yan, ginawa ni Roy yan. Tapos ako na yung sunod. Yan, gagawin, infinity. So anyway, shout out Brother Don. Yung nag-visit sa akin sa work. Tapos yung wife niya. I forgot the wife's name. So anyway, Brother Don, thank you for visiting me kanina. Saluyot power. Brother Don. And your wife. Saluyot power, ma'am. We call it saluyot power, mga Ilocano. Ilocano daw yung kanyang wife eh. Si Brother Don. Tsaka yung wife niya, nakalimutan ko. Sorry. Ano na ako, medyo tumatanda na. Okay. Ayan na. Okay, hintayin natin. Ano daw ako, wait daw ng 10 minutes.
Look at this one. I don't want to see the bottom. Like it?
Of course! Anything. Pinakita ko nga sa coworker ko, ang dami malinis.
I have other stuff I want to work on in the future, but spider.
Oh, nice. Si Kuya Ismo, bulaklak.
Yeah, this was new space.
I don't like bulaklak.
Black lines.
Bulaklak, it's like girly.
I did these ones
Let me
too.
see. Ang dami na pala. Yan ba yung skin ni Ace doon?
These one, the yellow ones, yeah. I did the eye. This.
Oh, nice. Ang dami ka pala eh. Okay. So, tapos na ang aking pinagawa. So, thank you, Roy.
I had to cover it up again.
Second tattoo yan. Ayan, cover na lang niya. Okay. Okay.
Oh shit. I was supposed to wear gloves.
Like $300 already.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn. I saved $300.
Wait,
Woohoo!
where's it at? Oh.
Anong tawag mo dyan, Roy? Anong tawag dyan? Yung yun. Stop na yun.
Second
skin, yeah.
Too big. For later.
Wala ka bang pang measure?
No, I did. I should have just measured it.
Yeah.
Try to keep it straight. A little too big.
Okay, nice. Anit siya ngayon?
Ah.
Yeah. Thank you. Woohoo!
Yeah, this one's
good job. Clean, it's clean.
No, I missed some spots right there.
Yeah. Folks, thank you. He's my new tattoo artist. My son.
Right.
Okay, thank you, Roy.
Yeah.
Alright, good job. That's my first tattoo. Okay. First tattoo on my boy. Okay, alright, thanks.